You want to learn how to not get chopped trading the markets? Let me show you how. Alrighty, let's get into it. Today is one of those days where I don't plan on taking a trade, okay? And as a trader, people don't understand this a lot of times, but you don't want to trade every single day, because when we have things like this, to where, so if we can look at this, okay, let's pull up our sessions, okay? So we have the daily EQ here, okay? We are extremely bearish on the higher time frames. As we can see, we are holding this bearish momentum very strongly on the 4 hour, on the 2 hour, on the 1 hour, okay? As you can see, we are disrespecting bullish confluences. This bullish gap right here ran through it, but if we can see, coming on the 15-minute, we are opening these gaps, bam. And then also you can see another really great confirmation is that, look at this, okay? From this price leg here, we came up to tap EQ premium to continue lower, all right? And another big thing is AMD. If you don't know what AMD is, accumulation, manipulation, just distribution, and then there's a continuation and reversal. Now, what do we see on the previous time frames? Okay, we see, so here we have the manipulation leg right here. You can see distribution, okay? And then we have this accumulation right here, all right? But it technically still distribution, all right? Then what do we have after that, okay? We have the reversal back to here, okay? Then we continue. We have this slight accumulation here, accumulation, and then we have manipulation leg right here, taking Tokyo session or Asian session highs to then distribute to the downside, okay? So if we are and then also we have government shutdown, we have all these different things going on, stuff like that. So I really don't want to be taking a trade today, to be honest, okay? We have huge SMT getting put in. We have this high resistance liquidity, all right? And if we are truly bearish, what my thought process was, we could catch longs, okay? Back to EQ, back to this hourly bearish gap. Now, I'm not really looking for anything today, but this is what I would want to see, okay? So, seeing previous distribution to the downside, I want to look for a reversal to this bearish gap or continuation to the downside. Now, with not a lot of, with this kind of being high resistance liquidity, not really, just look how low it is compared to some of these buy side levels up here. We have these stacked up, whatever, okay? But we can see we come up to sweep this, and then we come up to sweep that. There's your manipulation, and we dump, okay? So here's the manipulation leg right here. If you can't tell, right there, that's your manipulation leg, okay? This right here is your manipulation leg. Oh, okay. Bam, all right? That's your manipulation leg, okay? Now, distribution leg, or distribution, right here to the downside after the manipulation, okay? With the accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So now we're looking for either a reversal to there, to this hourly gap, to this EQ of the move, or we're going to be looking for a continuation to the daily EQ, okay? But one of the biggest ways to not get chopped is really market experience and using your damn brain, okay? So are we really going to want to move all the way down here when now it actually looks like we are going to want to tap EQ to continue to move higher? But after sweeping all these sell side levels, we are holding bearish momentum. But it's like, are we going to want to come all the way down here to these New York lows to take liquidity? Or are we going to move up first to this bearish gap to then move lower to hit the EQ? Now, that's what I assume is going to happen. That's just my prediction, all right? Okay, and now we've opened, and if we look at this 9:30 candle, we have the next 15-minute candle forming in a minute. We're just dropping down, okay? And you can see huge SMT put in, and now on here, we're about to take out these Asian lows below this gap on here, all right? Like you can see, we are just dumping, okay? Just extremely dumping, especially a bunch of crazy news came out yesterday. That's not really affecting the market. It could be the Trump and Epstein shit, but there's 40 days of economic news that's delayed that may never come out. And I don't know if they're going to slowly release that or how they plan on doing that. But legitimately, it's just crazy. It's insane. I take a little eggs right quick.